A man walks into his apartment, drops his work bag, and checks his bank app. He sees $327. Then his wallet jumps off the table with angry cartoon eyes. Most people think money grows slow forever. They save $20 here, $50 there, and it feels like nothing is happening. You work, you save, you skip eating out one time, and your account still looks broke. So you start thinking, what's the point? But here's the truth. Money does not grow in a straight line. Money grows slow in the beginning, then faster later. And for many beginners, the first major checkpoint is around $20,000. Not because 20,000 is magic, but because once your money reaches a bigger base, every percentage gain starts creating bigger dollar results. That is when your wallet stops whispering and starts working. Picture this. You finally save your first $500. Your wallet is excited. Confetti pops. The character starts dancing. Then life walks in wearing sunglasses, car repair, phone bill, food prices, random subscription you forgot about. Boom! Your $500 gets slapped back down. That's why the first stage of building money feels so painful. You are not just saving money. You are fighting every emergency at the same time. Our money is too small to defend itself yet. At $1,000, a 10% return is only $100. That's nice, but it doesn't feel life-changing. At $5,000, 10% is $500. Better, but still not enough to make you feel rich. But at $20,000, 10% is $2,000. Same percentage, different impact. That is the part most beginners miss. A small pile in a bigger pile can grow at the same percentage, but the bigger pile throws off more dollars. Your money is not suddenly smarter, it just has more muscle. Now imagine your wallet rolling a tiny snowball down a hill. At first, it is embarrassing. It is small. It barely picks up snow. That is your first $100. Your first $1,000. Your first $5,000. You are pushing more than the snowball is growing. But as it rolls, it gets bigger. The bigger it gets, the more snow it collects with every turn. That is compounding. Compounding is when your money earns money. And then that new money can earn more money too. At first it feels boring, then it gets interesting. Then one day you look at the numbers and say, wait, my money made money without me clocking in? And your wallet says,
finally, he's learning.
$20,000 is powerful because it changes your mindset. When you only have $200, you think about survival. When you have $2,000, you think about bills. But when you get close to $20,000, you start thinking about systems. You ask better questions. Where should this money sit? How much should stay in emergency savings? How much can be invested? How much should go toward debt? How do I make this grow without touching it? That is when you stop treating money like something that only comes from work. You start treating money like a tool, and that tool can grow, protect you, and give you options. But let's keep it real. $20,000 will not make you rich overnight. It will not solve every problem. And investing always comes with risk. Your money can go up your money can go down. But having $20,000 gives you something broke people usually do not have. A foundation. And once you have a foundation, you can build. The first $20,000 is usually the hardest because most of it has to come from you. Your paycheck, your discipline, your choices, your budget, your ability to say no. No to random spending. No to lifestyle creep. No to buying things just because everybody else has them. Your wallet is watching every swipe like a security guard.
Did you really need another delivery order?
The beginning is not sexy. It is lunch from home. It is canceling subscriptions. It is driving the same car longer. It is paying yourself first. It is not trying to look rich while secretly being stressed. Everybody wants the investing gains. Nobody wants the boring saving season. But the boring season is where the base is built. And without the base, compounding has nothing to work with. Let's say your money grows by 7% in 1 year. If you have $1,000, 7% is $70. That is not exciting. If you have $5,000, 7% is $350. That feels better. If you have $20,000, 7% is $1,400. Now you are paying attention. If you have $50,000, 7% is $3,500. If you have $100,000, 7% is $7,000. That is why rich people care so much about percentages. Because once the pile is big, small percentages can turn into big money. A broke person sees 7% and says, "That's not enough." A wealth builder sees 7% and says, "That's a machine if I feed it long enough." The number did not change. The base changed. That is the secret. Most people quit before the snowball gets big. They save for 2 months and say, "This is taking too long." They invest for 6 months and say, "I'm not rich yet." They cancel the plan right before the plan starts working. Your wallet is sitting there stressed out like,
"You planted the seed yesterday and already asking where the tree at?" Money growth takes patience.
in the beginning, your effort does most of the work. Later, your money starts helping. Then eventually, your money can do more of the lifting. But you never get to that stage if you keep starting over. Every time you cash out for something unnecessary, you reset the snowball. Every time you spend the money that was supposed to grow, you steal from your future self. And future you is not happy. So, what should you do before you hit 20,000? First, build a starter emergency fund. You need money that protects you from small disasters. Second, attack high-interest debt. Because debt can compound against you the same way investing can compound for you. Third, track where your money is leaking. Subscriptions, food delivery, impulse shopping, buy now, pay later payments, random fees. Your wallet is not broke because of one big purchase. Sometimes your wallet is bleeding from 50 tiny cuts. Fourth, start investing slowly if it fits your situation. You do not need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. The goal is not to impress people. The goal is to create a system that keeps working when motivation disappears. Once you reach 20,000, do not get cocky. This is where a lot of people mess up. They finally get some money and start acting like they made it. New car, new clothes, new phone, new lifestyle. And just like that, the snowball melts. Your wallet starts screaming,
We just got here.
After 20,000, protect the base. Keep your emergency money separate. Keep investing simple. Keep your spending under control. Keep learning. This is the stage where your money needs direction. Some money is for safety. Some money is for growth. Some money is for goals. Some money is for bills. Do not put every dollar in one place, and do not chase every hot trend just because somebody online said they got rich. Real money growth is not about looking exciting. It is about staying consistent long enough for boring decisions to become powerful. The reason your money grows faster after 20,000 is not because the universe hands you a secret key. It is because you finally have enough money for percentages to feel real. That is why the first goal is not to get rich overnight. The first goal is to build the base. Because once the base is built, every smart decision has more power. 5% on $200 is lunch money. 5% on $20,000 is $1,000. 5% on $200,000 is $10,000. Same percentage, different level. Saving has more power. Investing has more power. Interest has more power. Time has more power. And most importantly, you have more confidence. Because now you know you can build something. You are not just hoping money gets better. You are proving it. The man looks at his wallet. This time he does not swipe the card. He cancels 3 subscriptions, moves money into savings, sets up an automatic investment, and closes the app. The wallet smiles.
Now we cooking.
Your first 20,000 will test you. It will feel slow. It will feel boring. It will feel like nothing is happening. But do not quit. Because the money that looks small today can become the base that changes everything tomorrow. The first stage is about discipline. The next stage is about momentum. And once your money starts working with you, you stop feeling broke and start thinking like an owner. This is the Wallet Guy. Your wallet is tired of bad money habits. So let's fix them one story at a time.